In today's video, we'll be talking about 4 ways to install 2 or more WhatsApp accounts on one Android device. Let's jump right in. Number 1, to get a second WhatsApp account up and running on your device, you need to install WhatsApp Business. So to install WhatsApp Business, you go to Google Play Store, just search for WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is the second copy of WhatsApp that is created by Facebook. Of course, you know Facebook is the parent company of WhatsApp at this time. So WhatsApp Business is the second copy of WhatsApp that is created, and it was targeted towards businesses. So if you are a business owner and you need to have your business account run on another copy of WhatsApp Business, and it has some advanced features as well that you can take advantage of. So if you have WhatsApp Business on your device, yes, you can use that as a way of installing a second WhatsApp account on your Android device. Another way of installing a second WhatsApp account on your Android device is by installing Parallel Space. I had talked about Parallel Space in a previous video, and I expect that you must have watched that to see how to install Parallel Space and how to transfer WhatsApp or other apps from your Android device to create a second account inside a kind of a virtual account. So to download and install Parallel Space, just go to Google Play Store, search for Parallel Space. It will come up and then you will download and install. After installing and setting it up, it will take you to the interface where you can actually transfer any app of your choice. As you can see on the interface, it allows you to clone apps, so you can actually clone any app of your choice, which includes WhatsApp. So if you tap on Add to Parallel Space, it's going to transfer those apps and you will have those apps here installed on your Parallel Space interface. Now, another way of installing a second WhatsApp account is by installing cloned versions of WhatsApp. Of course, the cloned versions of WhatsApp, I cannot vouch for them, and as such, you have to install them at your own risk. And the cloned copies of WhatsApp are things like GB WhatsApp and any other form of cloned WhatsApp app. Now, the fourth and the most robust method of cloning or creating multiple accounts of WhatsApp on your Android device is by installing VMOS Pro. VMOS Pro in this case is a virtual machine that gives you a second copy of Android, a whole Android operating system installed on your mobile device. So having this other copy of Android in your Android phone, it basically acts as though you have 2 different devices in one, which means that any number of WhatsApp accounts that you can install on your current device that you are holding, you can as well install any number of WhatsApp accounts on the VMOS Pro interface. So this is what it looks like. So you go to the Google Play Store, download VMOS Pro. Here is what the app looks like. This gives us a second copy of Android on our Android device, and as you can see, I already have WhatsApp installed in this VMOS Pro interface. So you can as well install Parallel Space in the VMOS Pro. Let's assume that you already have 2 copies of WhatsApp installed on your parent operating system, that is the host operating system that is installed on your Android device. You can still go ahead and install VMOS Pro and still install Parallel Space inside VMOS Pro, which means that you can have up to 4 or 5 or even any number of WhatsApp accounts installed on an individual single device. So basically that is that. Question of the day: is there any task that you are trying to carry out on your Android phone that is giving you a headache? Share it in the comment section below, and someone that knows the solution might as well respond to you, or I can use it as a topic for an upcoming video. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.